In this video, you can watch 2 ex-British Army against 50 Airsoft players. Now common, let's view it.
I'm Posty.
Tigers, isn't it? Tigers.
Tigers, yeah.
Rawr. Rawr.
Yes, lads, you join me on a CQB mission. We need to breach and hold a building deep in enemy territory for as long as possible.
We could rotate round. Or we could rotate round.
Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then like the video. David off vlog.
Hit him. Got him. Got him. Watch out, there's a load of them there. Magazine, there's a shit load moving right to left. Oh my god, I got him. Got him as well, no way. I got a sick angle here. Sick angle.
11 o'clock, through the bushes, that's the objective.
Got him. We need him at 5 in the top window. You go left, you go left, you go left, you go left, I go right. Go. Watch out, get down, this angle's brutal.
Behind.
Watch out, you should get an angle for that, Perry. Look down that way, you get an angle. Cross in.
They're coming up on this corner. Coming up.
You're gonna get hit there,
I hit him twice. No. Bottom.
Come on, peek that corner. Come on, peek me.
Please
Pick me, go
don't
on.
forget to subscribe. David off vlogs.
Yeah. One close, watch out, 2 meters, he made it across. Yeah, one place change, way taller than me. Directly 5 o'clock. Directly angle straight down, 11 o'clock. Yeah! One down, bottom right corner. Yeah, he's down. Go see, why is he not calling that? Joe, this is not safe. Bottom floor, not safe.
Thank you. Oh mate, I'm just man down. Pistol. I went back to my pistol.
George, come here. Good call. Great! George, stage close. George, got a grenade down there.
I haven't got one.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do.
Hit! Ooh! Great!
George, yes you do.
You okay?
Get down, get your head down.
That should be fine.
Yeah, he's still there. We're not dead. No, no one said anything. Yeah. My plan has worked.
Nico, I am your f***ing saviour! Yeah! Mate, I just got like 13 people in there.
Let's go!
Thank you for watching, subscribe, and like David Off Vlogs.